Namaskar. Once again I'm back with valuable nuggets which we received yesterday on 18th August. It was a day full of several takeaways. So I'm Dinesh from Gurgaon. I wish to tell you 5 takeaways of yesterday. Number 1, money is value exchange. It's a byproduct of the services which we are offering to the people. So business is energy game. Third is you are a magnet, a highly powerful magnet. Number 4, do not chase money and do not chase happiness. Rather attract money and happiness. Also attract success. Do not set goals, only set boundaries and take action. Not only action, a massive action. And I wish success to you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am Dinesh Nagpal from Gurgaon, and I want to tell you something about yesterday's session. It was full of highly valuable nuggets. I am repeating 5 of them. Number 1, work with structured methodology. Number 2, your story is your niche. Number 3, work on your micro niche. Number 4, your vibe attracts your tribe. And number 5, follow a system, because system always works, but people may fail. Wishing you success in all that you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Hello my dear ones, namaskar. Here I am giving another set of 5 valuable nuggets which we received yesterday from Shubhvardan. Number 1, position yourself as a brand. Number 2, build your unshakable brand. Number 3, be an influencer. Number 4, your brand is your aura and your aura attracts people. Number 5, create your ecosystem and your brand. Let us proceed with establishing ourselves as a brand, unshakable brand. Thank you very much. Wishing you all success in all that you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Namaskar, my dear ones. Here's one more set of valuable takeaways of yesterday's session. As told in the earlier video, take action, not only action, rather take massive action. Yes, we need to take massive action. Number 2, उच्चारण नहीं आचरण चाहिए. जब उच्चारण नहीं होगा, वर्ड्स नहीं होंगे, केवल एक्शन होगा. सो massive action will help us a lot. Competition never exists because we are unique. Everyone is unique in this world, hence there is no match for any one of us. So when there is no match, there is no competition, and there is room for everyone to grow and everyone to succeed. Last but not the least, sell with selling and sell without telling. So these are all highly valuable nuggets which we have been continuously receiving. If we start implementing, no one can stop us from growing and succeeding. Wishing success to all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaskar friends. Once again I am here with yesterday's some valuable information and nuggets and takeaways which we received. Vardhan's contribution in Shubhvardan is massive. She is quite young but highly talented person. She is Vardhan not only for Naveen ji but for all of us. Yesterday, she informed us about multiple sources of income, which include our own product. Establish your authority on your product to earn huge amount of money. Number 2, affiliate marketing, promote others' product and earn. Number 3, one-to-one meeting to help others personally. Number 4, collaboration to promote the self. These are the 4 ways of income. She also told us about importance of landing page on our website. Visitors make up their mind within 3 seconds of coming on the landing page. That's why it is very important to have attractive landing page with